Hey teachers, I hope you are doing well. I am looking forward to seeing all of you again. I know we missed last week because of the ice, but hopefully every single one of you was safe. I've not heard any reports of anybody not being safe during that time. So even though we took the precaution to close last week, I am very thankful that everybody was okay. This week, we're going to talk about Cain and Abel, a story where somebody with bad intentions and how they responded to something very badly with one of these rocks or boulder. Did something very bad. And I know this can be a extremely hard lesson to teach to children. So hopefully I'm gonna give you a few pointers on kind of how to teach the lesson this week. We want to focus on how families should teach each other, how Cain should have responded. You can talk, obviously we do want to tell the whole Bible story and talk about the offerings that happened. Cain disobeying God and making the wrong decision. Abel obeying God and doing what he was supposed to do. Now, with that, we do want to make sure we're telling the Bible story in its entirety. We just have to be careful on how we do that. The truth of the matter is, Cain murdered Abel. We're not going to teach that to our children. We are going to teach them about what happened with the offering. We're going to teach them about how Cain responded, and he hurt, or you can even say killed, but I would pretty quickly move on past that. The good thing is at this age, most of those children are not going to know what you mean by killed, but we do want to do justice to Scripture and not gloss over it and tell the full Bible story. Be wise in how you do that. Most of you are seasoned teachers. You've been doing this for years and years and years, so you'll have no problem with that. But I do want to hopefully give you a few things that would help you. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask me. But we want to focus on how families should treat each other, how Cain should have responded, and following and obeying God. Our craft this week, we've got what Cain and Abel, some things that Cain and Abel might have brought to God. If you want to, and you can just let me know, you bring some good idea, might bring some fruit or something for your class, maybe grapes or something simple like that. Actually, now that I think about it, grapes are a choking hazard, so don't bring grapes. But maybe something from the vine that your kids could have. Just let me know so I can make an allergy alert. And then our snack is going to be Rice Krispie treats. The curriculum for February is sitting right here on the resource room table, pictures and everything, the physical curriculum. Come and get that. If I do not give it to you on Sunday, it's sitting on the resource room table. And last, most certainly not least, for our full-time directors, we have a leadership meeting on February 4th in Guest Central. Give you even more details about that next week on when the time is and everything like that. And Pastor Ken is going to be doing our section in Guest Central, and then immediately Bob Goff, who is a award-winning author, and he obviously has a couple other things that he does, is going to be speaking right after that. So love to see you there. I hope you're doing well, and I'm glad you made it through the ice.